Hey guys, this is my onion. Has a flower. It's beautiful. Yeah, every year I have these flowers. And this is onions from my garden. Beautiful. And I have this dashin. And then I have chive. Here in my garden. Here it is. Oh, you hear the birds singing? Close. Go. See them close up. Yes. This is close up. And there's another one. And I have a little mini garden. So there's the shin, elephant ear. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, Juicy Variety Vlog. Thank you and God bless. Bye.